How to fix alarm no sound in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open clock app, and then if you turn off your alarm, then turn it on. After allow your alarm, then click on your alarm and then click on alarm sound. If you turn off alarm sound, then turn it on. After turn on your alarm sound, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on clock app. Now scroll down and click on storage, and here you can clear the data and cache memory of clock. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.